Consider taking surveys if you are not ready to take on a second job but would like to earn a small amount of money each month to help you pay off your bills or have more social time. Your efforts will be rewarded with cash or gift cards. However, it is so simple that anyone can do it, and there are numerous opportunities for people who are willing to share their thoughts. One of the simplest money-making applications available right now in surveys. If you want to participate in surveys, the best strategy is to sign up for multiple services. That way, you will have a better chance of always having a survey to complete in your spare time. You will also quickly figure out which site you prefer to use to get the most out of your time. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. Today, we will be talking about 5 survey apps to make money, and what is amazing about it is that all of these applications can be accessed through your mobile phone. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. So how do you go about finding the best survey applications for you? The best way to use survey apps is to make a folder on your smartphone and keep all of your survey options together. From your smartphone, you can download the most popular survey applications from both the Apple and Android stores. You can make your morning commute or evenings more efficient by combining these surveys with a smartphone. The phone-based applications make taking a survey while watching TV or relax during your morning or evening commute a breeze. Freecash.com is the first app on the list. Freecash began as freeskins.com before changing its name in August of 2021. So whether you hear about freeskins.com or freecash.com, it is the same platform. However, Freecash is now the official name. Let me start by saying that freecash.com is a legitimate get-to-paid or GPT site that will pay you for completing surveys and offers. Later in this review, I will show you the payment so you can judge for yourself. It's a relatively new site in comparison to many others, but I'm impressed with what they have accomplished so far, and one thing I particularly like is that the people behind it appear to put a lot of effort into constantly improving the platform. When it first began, it was primarily aimed at gamers and provided a means for them to earn free skins. That was why it was called freeskins.com. However, it later began to offer a variety of great opportunities for everyone, as well as a variety of rewards, and rebranded itself to reflect this. Freecash now offers a variety of ways to earn and be rewarded, regardless of who you are or how you prefer to be compensated. Mobile Expressions is a great option if you are looking for a more passive way to earn money. Instead of filling out surveys, all you have to do is download the Mobile Expressions application to your phone. Without requiring you to do anything else, the application collects data in the background. Mobile Expression is a community and market research panel that studies the trends and behaviors of people who use their smartphones to access the internet. Comscore Inc. is a global leader in digital marketing research. It manages the panel. Comscore is based in Reston, Virginia, and is traded on the NASDAQ under the symbol SCOR or SCORE. You must be at least 18 years old and have a mobile device that is compatible with the Mobile Expression application to become a member. You should also be able to use your phone to access the internet. Mobile Expression, as previously stated, tracks your internet usage for research purposes. After you have signed up and installed the application on your phone or tablet, it collects information about your mobile phone usage in the background. The website to visit, your shopping habits, app usage, and other aspects of your life are all tracked. For data collection, the application routes your internet traffic through a virtual private network or VPN. When properly installed, the application is virtually maintenance-free. You may receive surveys from the company occasionally. What are the advantages of downloading the Mobile Expression application? Well, you can win a $10 Amazon gift card if you keep the app installed for 1 week or 7 days. You will continue to earn credits for each week the application is installed if you remain an active member after the first week. You can use these credits to buy gift cards from places like Amazon, Home Depot, and Dunkin' Donuts, among others. Sweepstakes are also held by Mobile Expression with prizes ranging from $1,000 to $100,000. Finally, if you keep the app installed for 90 days, they will donate a tree to Trees for the Future. They have planted over 18 million trees as of recording. You can earn gift cards by filling out surveys and completing other tasks with Harry's Paul. The fact that you can use your points for sweepstakes entries instead of cashing them out for gift cards sets this site apart from the competition. You could win thousands of dollars if you are the lucky winner of one of the sweepstakes. This website may appeal to you if you are willing to risk a portion of your earnings on your luck. Shopkick is another site where you can earn rewards in a variety of ways. You can earn points by shopping online or in stores, taking surveys, watching videos, or looking at products online. Some people may discover that if they work hard enough, they can earn a gift card as little as a week by accumulating points. However, keep in mind that going into a store to earn points will cost you money in gas. Go for it if you are already heading that way, but I wouldn't go to that store just to earn Shopkick points. Otherwise, the gas money may end up costing you more than the points you earn. If you go to the MyPoints website and sign up, you will notice that you will get a $10 welcome bonus. However, you must spend at least $20 on a merchant through the MyPoints website in the first month to qualify for the bonus. If you are going to sign up for this, wait until you're going to buy something anyway, so you're not spending $20 for a $10 reward. You can earn points for shopping through the MyPoints website once you have become a member. If you want to participate in surveys, you must first create a survey profile. You might discover that a survey that takes an hour to complete only pays a few dollars. If you have a time to kill on the train on your way to work in this morning, this is another good site to visit. You won't be making much money, but it'll be better than staring out the window during your commute. If you're thinking about taking a part in a legitimate online survey, look for and read the website's privacy policy or disclaimer. Before you sign up for a survey, make sure you understand what you are getting yourself into. Do not register on any site that requires survey takers to pay a fee in order to access the survey. This is a telltale sign of a con. The more a website tries to prove its legitimacy or reassure you that it is not a scam, the more likely it is to be a scam. Pay attention to your gut feelings. If something doesn't feel right, it probably is. Check out websites that review common scams or report on fraudulent online businesses to find potential survey sites. Remember not to interact with the website if something doesn't feel right. Finally, if you do find a legitimate survey website, create a separate mail account and use it solely for survey participation. This will assist you in reducing excessive spam in your personal account. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time!